Good afternoon, all. CamelBackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, June 27th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So, when I talked about looking for a possible large gap in the near future, I should have actually put in two things. Either a large gap or something that we just had today. When I was doing the video this morning, it looked like we were still playing in the same game. Wasn't expecting to really go and have this type of rip trend day up. Am I surprised by it? Not at all, really, when you think about it. I've been banging the drum that the last 5 days, these sellers really haven't gotten much for their efforts if you looked at previous daily lows. So I'm not surprised by it, but maybe when I was looking at the pre-market this morning, I thought we were just going to kind of do the same thing and wasn't looking for it right away. But we did get it. NQ, this is fascinating. NQ goes out with a double distribution day. They have 5 sets of single prints, and they had an inside day. Can't make that stuff up. I can't imagine the last time you had an inside day with 5 sets of single prints. Inside week down for now has failed miserably after yesterday's attempt at it for NQ. Righty, after a very powerful A period yesterday and doing nothing the rest of the day, goes out with a triple distribution day, single prints B, C, and F, and they're up in the dailies. They come out of a 2-day balance to the upside. NQ is still balanced, we're balanced. We go out with 6 sets of single prints. N period does not fill them. Has to happen up to 4 o'clock. We had 7 sets at one point, which is the most I've ever had in a day. I've never seen 8. So at one point when L started getting above K's high, it was kind of interesting to see. For the first time ever, would we have 8 sets of single prints in the S&P, as far as what I've seen. I've never seen that before. But we didn't do that. We had 7 and 1 got taken back. For the longest time, price was advertised higher. Time was regulating it. Finally, late in the day, all the volume got pulled up and confirmed it. Okay? We took out 3 daily highs. Just missed another daily high in SPY as we got to up to 436.81, I believe. I think we missed that high by 18 cents. Yep, 436.81 was the high in M period. So we missed another daily high by only 18 cents. So we took out 3 daily highs, wiped them out. Right? We said it's kind of like when the market is going up, grinding up, and then all of a sudden we wipe out 5 daily lows in a heartbeat. Well, we wiped out 3 daily highs in a heartbeat and just missed a 4th. I had a good day. Didn't do a lot on this move, believe it or not. I made most of my points. I made all of my points early. I didn't take a trade after H, believe it or not. I thought we were going to get some two-sided trade in H for a while because we had gotten into destinations I thought they wanted to get, which was 03, 08, and 0950. So I took a small short. So I only lost today. I lost 4 points. I made 19 total, though, on the day. So they did $1 higher. They ended up getting that two-sided trade up here in J through M. So I wasn't off by a lot, but I was off by $1 where they decided to do it. And they went and got that other daily high up at 24 1/4 of 50. I broke even on my first trade as I took a short against the overnight high. I wasn't liking it. I broke even, got out of it. I made money on longs on the ebb and flow. 4.5 points in A period. 6 points in B period. 2 points in C period. I did take a short in C because of no tempo when we made a new high to make a couple of points on the pullback. D period, I nailed that. I missed D's low by a tick. Only made 5 points on the trade. I was actually on the phone. A very important phone call when I took that trade. I took it off for 5 points and nothing. Look what we did the entire day after that. And then I made money on long in G against the singles. And then, like I said, I took that short in H thinking we were going to get some two-sided trade, which we never got until later in the day. So 19 points on the day, 58.5 for the week so far, no complaints. As far as our destinations, SPY's high is 436.81, okay? That's today's high. And then you have 437.23 9 wide from the 20th, and 438.37 weekly high and filling the gap at 438.97. Now, here we go again, downside. Write these down. I will not repeat them. And also, don't forget, ES had a poor high SPY did not. We did probe in SPY, but only by a little bit. I will not use L's high. So our downside destinations in SPY, 436.07. These are all single prints. 436.07, 435.69, 435.53 to 35, 434.77 to 72, 434.48 to 32, 434.09 to 433.93, 433.75 to 43, and today's low of 431.88. NES downside single prints 17 1/4 to 13.50, 11.50 to 09.75, 03.75 to 50, 01 to 99.50, 96.75 to 95.50, 93.50 to 90.25, and today's low of 74.50. Upside, we have today's high, which is 24.75, which is poor, and then above that we have our daily high of 30.75, and 9 wide at 34.25 from June 20th. Now, let's just look at the chart quickly. So the monthly we know, let's go to the monthly. Monthly's healthy with 3 days to go in the trading month, and the quarter, and the half year. So we're up on the monthly. That's very healthy. Now, weekly, yesterday came out to the downside, inside week down. Got nothing for its efforts. We still have 3 days to go in this week. We have Powell tomorrow morning, 9:30 Eastern Time, and then you have them very early Thursday morning, and then you have PCE and end of the quarter and half year Friday. A lot is still on the table here for this week. Can we take out last week's high? If we do, then we have everything on the table from an outside week down to an outside week up. So for now, we're in a 3-week balance, but there's a lot on the table. And then on the daily, which by the way, the volume is only 68 million, so no good volume. We're in balance now. I'd call it basically a 5-day balance. We just missed that daily high by 18 cents. So if we take out 436.99, I would go up on the daily. But we took out 3 trading days, 3 highs, and just missed a 4th. And we also got close to the 20. Not that close. It kept going up as the day went higher, but we did come kind of close. And while we're at it, we might as well look. IWM, after 2 days of failing at the 20, gets through it, and they're up on the daily. And the triple Qs on their daily balance, just like us. It's a 3. Well, again, they didn't technically stop the one-time framing down, but it is an inside day, so I'd call them at least down to balance. So we'll see how they come out. Remember, they had an inside day 2 days ago, came out of it to the downside. We have an inside week, and now we have another inside day. So is the NQ and triple Qs just balancing here to make their new assault to new highs again for the year? Or is this balance becoming an issue and buyers are getting tired and we're going to come out of this balance officially to the downside? It all remains to be seen. I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.